I'll come to him. Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Danchuk Trifive Nationals here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And here we got this gorgeous 56 210 two-door post car, and what a beauty she is. And there's a really interesting story here, but let's take this in and do a little walk around here and see how she looks here. Just a beautiful, gorgeous car here. Got a little information packet there and some there. Now, the really interesting story about this is the journey it took to get here. And here's the owner here. His name's Aubry King. Aubry, how's it going?
Going great.
Yeah, well, tell me a bit about your car.
It's a 1956 two-door post car.
Mm-hmm.
I purchased it from a cousin that wasn't able to finish it, and I've had it for a little over a year now.
Mm-hmm.
And Sean Brewer then came along from Auto Media and offered to do a build project with it.
Mm-hmm.
Named it gift horse.
Ah.
And so we started to work on the gift horse, and it went slow for a little while, and then we decided that it needed to get finished for the Danchuk Trifive Nationals. And to make that happen, it created a lot of thrashing. So we went through a lot of days and nights and weekends, and the car only got finished last Tuesday. We loaded it Wednesday and brought it to the show. And the Danchuk furnished us all the trim and many pieces of the car. They all fit, worked excellent. And I really appreciate all the help from them and the other manufacturers that participated.
Wow, so you just got this done on Tuesday, got on the trailer Wednesday, and got here just in time for the show.
That's right.
Well, you're the reason why Danchuk does what we do. It's people like you that we really take pleasure in doing what we do, and it's just a gorgeous car.
Well, thank you very much, and I appreciate all your help.
Yeah, well, I'm going to fit anytime, and we're here to help, and we're here to help anybody out there who's doing their build. You know, we make beautiful parts for beautiful cars, and we got just the best customers in the business. I'm just going to do a little walk around here and take in this car. Aubry, thank you so much for your support of Danchuk, and thank you for the kind words, sir.
You're very welcome, and thank you for all your participation.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You are welcome. Well, let's take another look at this beautiful car here. We got just the passenger side here, the interior. I'm going to kind of zoom in here and take a look inside. TMI has done the interior on this car. They've just done an amazing job here. And we'll kind of pull back here. We're kind of in somebody else's booth here. LS powered. Just a gorgeous car. Just one of the fine, beautiful examples of the cars here at the Danchuk Tri-5 Nationals. This is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.